Hey, in this video, I will show you how to actually make a very cool anonymous question story where everyone can ask questions or you can do anonymous questions for other people's stories. So make sure you first hit the like button. This is the first thing you need to do. The second thing you need to do is comment down below if you have any questions around the guide that I'll show you. And also comment down below which country are you watching this video from. So you want to go on the App Store or the Google Play Store and you want to search for NGL just like I did. You want to open it up. You want to click Get Started. I'm not going to go with the paid plan. I'm going to choose some random age, Instagram, your handle. Here it is. Create the username. I'm going to skip this part. I'm not going to allow notifications. And you can say, send me anonymous questions. Click on copy link. Then you go on Instagram. And on Instagram, what you want to do is you want to go here, create a story, just like so. You want to click the three dots, or what was it? The sticker option. You want to add a link. And there in the link section, you want to paste this. And you can say, anonymous question, right? Click done, and here it is. Anyone can ask you an anonymous question, and you can answer anonymous questions using NJL. That's it.